The DL error code occurs when the door latch of a washer is not functioning properly, preventing the door from closing and the washer from operating as intended. This error is often caused by objects stuck in the door, a damaged latch, or a malfunctioning door switch. To resolve the issue, start by removing any items that may be obstructing the door, such as clothes or debris, and clean the area to allow the door latch to engage properly. Next, inspect the latch to ensure it is not stuck on anything, and remove any objects that may be causing interference. If the issue persists, try unplugging the washer, waiting 30 seconds, and then running a cycle to see if the error code disappears. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to inspect the door switch, as a damaged electrical component can cause the error. In this case, it is recommended to contact a technician for assistance.